Today is 14th class. Yes. Everybody unmute yourself. Okay, I did not unmute now. Wait. Or else we will do one thing. Who want to read the prayer? Once again, you are all welcome to Bhagavad Gita online learning class, which is conducted by our temple, ISKCON Mangaluru Temple. And today is the 14th day. I know that almost means about 75% of our Bhagavad Gita is completed. Now only still 4 days are there. Please be regular. After 4 days, no class will be there. Two hands you are raising. Wait, I will give the chance to Raghavendra Prasad. You read, you got the chance. Vikas this time. Vikas, okay. One slide I will ask you people to read. Please everybody participate. We will start the class with the prayer. Yes, everybody should participate. Yes. Hare Krishna, Vikas. Excellent. Now, Sahana.
नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने.
Excellent. Now, Harshita.
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे.
Hari Bol. Excellent. Now, Anni Jeevan.
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद.
Wait. Okay, no issues. Yeah, you because there are several hands are raised. Okay. Oh, who want to do the sang Kirtan? Hare Krishna Kirtan. Mokshit, you want to do? You should sing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra as song. That is called Kirtan. Okay, do.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, who else want to do the Kirtan? Sparsh, you want to do?
Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes. What happened? Okay. Who else want to do the Kirtan? Harshita, you want to do the Kirtan?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Very well, excellent, excellent. Huh? Now, who else want to do? Please, Ishan Nair, you will be the last now. Do for doing kirtan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare
Excellent.
Krishna,
Yes, continue.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari bol, Hari bol. Huh? Now, who else want to do? Okay, Aditya, Rachit, unmute yourself.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's it, Prabhuji.
Hari bol, Hari bol. See, without hesitation, you should participate. Whenever we are, why I am asking you to what kirtan, do kirtan, read. This is one type of seva. Every time we should be ready. We are all Krishna's sevak. We are all das. We are all servants of Krishna. We should be devote. What is devotees? What is the meaning of devotee? We should devote ourselves. We should devote ourselves such that Krishna should feel happy. Okay, she is doing my work. Okay, he is telling my story. Like that, everybody. Please, please, please.
I think
Please don't disturb. Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
actually by mistake, you made me co-host like that.
No, I made you co-host. You just be. Don't disturb, please.
Okay, Prabhuji.
This is what the problem. If I will not make, you will say I will not. We will do the seva. Now, if I will make, you are interrupting. Okay. Today we are learning about the excellent chapter, that is 14th chapter, in which we will get what is the knowledge that Krishna will share here. Now, in the previously we learned that there are three modes of material nature. To control the three modes of material, to come out of three modes of material nature, Krishna himself has given the knowledge that it is very difficult. But for a devotee who is surrendering to Krishna, nothing is impossible to him. He can overcome three modes of material nature. Prabhuji, what are the three modes of material nature? Now we should know. See, one of the name of the material, three names are Satogun, Sattvagun, Rajogun, Tamogun. Now we will learn about Satoguna. Okay, mode of goodness. What is the meaning of Satoguna? Mode of goodness. That means the people, the general public are categorized into three parts. One of the part is Satoguna. Satoguna means they are pure and they have real happiness, and they will have knowledge, and they never commit what a sin, and they intentionally will not kill any animal. Like that, they are worried. No, no, we should not do any sin. Like that, they are worried to do any sin also, commit a sin also, commit any wrong to any person. And they always see equal. They never see that this is dog, we have to beat the dog, and or else he is the man, we have to give that respect. No, they will always see there is no discrepancy. Yeah, they are pure from the heart, there is no discrepancy, they will see all equal. Then finally, after death, where they will go? They will go to superior planets. See, when earth is there, above earth also there are some good planets are there. They will go to that good planets. Now, second guna, that is Rajoguna. Rajoguna, Prabhuji, what is this? Means Krishna is giving the knowledge. Now we are discussing from 13th chapter to 18th chapter. These chapters name is, means entire this chapter is categorized. This sixth chapter was categorized in what I discussed, Jnana Yoga. Now means we are getting the knowledge. What knowledge Krishna is giving, you just see. Now mode of passion, mode of goodness over, Satoguna. Now some people are in mode of passion. Prabhuji, what is this mode of passion? We should know. What is the name is Rajoguna. How the Rajoguna people will be means, Rajoguna people will be always, they have desires. I want the very big house. If they get house, they will think that I want very, means suppose if they got one small first ground floor, one floor house, they will think I want 2 floors house. If they will have 2 floors house, they will think 10 floors house they want. If they have 10 floors house also, they will think, no, I want 100 floors house. Like that, the desires are increasing and increasing in Rajoguna people. And always they are attached to the fruits of activities. Suppose whatever they are doing, they are attached. They will say, they will think that they are attached to the duty. I means, suppose I am doing any work. What I will think, I am Rajoguna person. What I will think, okay, I am doing this work, I should get this money in return. Okay, I am doing help to Tanmaya Gupta, then Anvin, and then what I will get, okay, I should get this in return. See, whenever I am giving something, then I am expecting return. That is what attached to the fruits. And always these people are categorized in greedy, misery, hankering, lamenting, and finally after death, Prabhuji, where they will go, we don't know. See, what Krishna is giving the knowledge. See, the person who is staying in Rajoguna, well, whenever he will die, what he will, where he will go, he will again take birth on the earth. Yes, he will again take birth on the earth. This is what you should remember. And another important thing, these people are, see, they always think that I should become beautiful. I should become what? That's why they will go. They will go to gym, and they will think that they will. They should be. Everybody should impress. Everybody should got impressed by their what outer look. Like by seeing very nice personality, looking beautiful. Everybody should praise them. Like that, they will think. These are the thoughts of Rajoguna people. Now we are just moving ahead. Now the third category of people. There are only 3 categories. First category, mode of goodness, Satoguna finished. Mode of passion, Rajoguna finished. Now we are entering into the third category. What is this third category, Prabhuji? Means mode of ignorance. They are ignorant of anything. What is this ignorance, Prabhuji? Means Tamoguna. Tamoguna means in darkness. They want what? They will behave like a mad people. They will argue us. No, there is no God. No, I will sleep actually. Even though it is morning 11:30, they will sleep. They will They will never think, they will always be sleeping, sleeping, sleeping only, like that. Always they like sleeping on the bed for hours together. And they are addicted to what? Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, all Maza, and all other intoxicants, means whatever may be the intoxicants in which these people will be what very much happy to intake, to just drink that, to take that. Okay, now finally these people are categorized in foolish category. They are in madness, they are in darkness, they are oversleeping, they are addicted to drugs and other alcohols like that. And finally, they are intoxicants and they are foolish also. Prabhuji, if these sort of people die, where they will go? They will go to hell. This is what the knowledge shared by our Krishna. Okay. Hari bol. Now we are just moving ahead. You just see here. This is the Tamoguna people. Always lazy fellow. Always sleep on the TV. Always sleep on the sofa or always sleep on the bed. They will always want to waste the time. They always want to waste the time in what? In watching TV, in playing video game, in reading all waste comics. They will not get anything, but they want to time pass. Prabhuji, I want to time pass, but I don't want to they don't want to take the advantage of the time. No, we will read one bhajan, or we will learn bhajan, or else we will read Bhagavad Gita, or else we will hear about something about Krishna. No, they never show about the interest. They are the lazy fellows. Okay, now Prabhuji, but if suppose we are regularly chanting, if we are regularly chanting, if we are regularly hearing the Bhagavad Gita, if we are regularly hearing the past, remembering the pastimes of Krishna, then where we are categorized, Prabhuji? Are we Tamoguna? No, because we know that there is a Krishna is Supreme Personality of God. We have to, our end goal is we have to go to Krishna, Vaikunta. Then whether are we in a Rajoguna mode? No, we never think that we are no greedy. We never think about only ourselves. We will never think that my neighbors should not develop. Some other person should not develop. Only I should develop. Like that, we will never think, because we are devotee. We want only one thing. What? We want chanting. We will never leave chanting. We will never forget Krishna. We will go to Vaikunta. This is what we will think. Now, Prabhuji, whether we are Satoguna means our Krishna devotees are little bit higher than what are the qualities of higher than Satoguna, means Shuddha Satoguna. If you people, if we all together are in Shuddha Satoguna, Prabhuji, what is this Shuddha Satoguna, Prabhuji? Means pure goodness. Satoguna people are pure. Satoguna people will always do good. But Prabhu, Satoguna people will have knowledge. Satoguna people will never commit sin. These are the qualities of our we should the Satoguna people also have the same quality. But they are categorized as Shuddha, because Satoguna people, they never think about Krishna. They never think about chanting. They never think about Kirtan. They never think about pastimes of Krishna. Remembering the pastimes of Krishna. They never think about reading Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam. Even listening also. Like Parikshit Maharaj, just by listening, finally he got liberated after 7 days. Just he listened Bhagavatam and he got liberated. Okay. These are the qualities of pure goodness. Means the pure goodness people who are in Krishna consciousness, who always believe that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. Ultimately, we have to go to Krishna. What is the simple way that which has been shown by our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, by just chanting of the whole names of the holy name Krishna, the holy name Lord Krishna, we can directly liberate. Okay, this is what in Krishna consciousness we can go to Vaikuntha. Means we are in Shuddha Satoguna, pure goodness. Now, Prabhuji, I want to know, Prabhuji, when this Satoguna, Tamoguna, and Rajoguna people will get up from the bed. You just observe. And you also categorize whether you are in Satoguna or Rajoguna or Tamoguna. Now, see, wake up time of Satoguna people is 5 o'clock. Now, wake up, generally the people, those who are in Rajoguna, they will wake up at 8 o'clock. Yes, the person who is in Tamoguna, they will sleep on the bed up to 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Even though, mom, Arey beta, to know mom, today is Sunday, I will not get up. I will get up at 11 o'clock only, Mataji. Like that, he will just, he is ignorant. He is in a mode of ignorance. He is fool, he is mad. Finally, after death, where he is going? He is going to hellish planet. Narakam, hellish planet he is going. So what is the difference? You just see. See, we will say, Prabhuji, generally even parents also sometimes where they will send a message. Prabhuji, my child don't have any time, Prabhuji, because he is very busy, Prabhuji. He is very busy. That's why he could not attend the class, Prabhuji. Even the students also message, Prabhuji, today we are so much busy, Prabhuji. We are going here. See, everybody goes here and there, but they don't have 10 minutes time. They have the time for seeing in watching the cell, WhatsApp or some other thing, for chatting, for talking with the friends for hours together, and for watching the TV, and for doing all other activities they will have. But if we ask, please take out the time, 10 minutes we are asking, just chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Prabhuji, this is very tough, Prabhuji. We cannot chant. We don't have time because we are very busy. We are busy more than PM Narendra Modi, Prabhuji. Our Bill Gates is also very free, Prabhuji. We are very much busy. That's why we cannot take just 10 minutes of time, Prabhuji, for chanting. This is how, see, if you are from the childhood only, like our Dhruva Maharaj, like our Prahlad Maharaj, if you are really pure from the bottom of the heart, you are pure souls. If right now, if one seed, you just start growing from your heart, saying that only Krishna is Supreme Personality of God. He has given the knowledge in the Bhagavad Gita. Manmana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Krishna is saying, what he is saying, please offer your obeisances to me. Namaskar karna bhi hai to mujhe karo. Sarva dharman parityajya. What is that sloka? 18th chapter. We will come. See, you forget about all religions. Come to me. Come to me. Krishna is asking to become, to surrender ourselves to Krishna. Then, but we will say, we don't have time, Prabhuji. This is what we have to change. Okay, we should, if you are in Tamoguna, if you are sleeping at after 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, then you should do one thing. You just sleep at 8:30 or 9 o'clock, get up at 5 o'clock or 5 o'clock, so that you can do chanting. Okay, or 6 o'clock at least you get up. Whatever the timing you are daily sleeping, you just sleep early, early to bed, early to rise. This is what poem also we learned. See, just get up early, you will be fresh, and finally you can chant, you can take the time for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And if you are in Tamoguna, you should think that you should go to Rajoguna. If you are Rajoguna, you should go to Satoguna. If you are totally, I am good, Prabhuji, I will never think about bad, I will never commit sin, Prabhuji, then what you will do? You should think about Shuddha Satoguna, that is Krishna's consciousness. And the person who is in Satoguna, he will read all good books. Means not Bhagavad Gita and not this Chaitanya Charitam and not this Krishna book, not you just think some good books. For getting the knowledge, he will read good books. I'm saying good books, remember. Somehow it was wrongly, but it was not wrongly, but intentionally it may be, because we have to categorize Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam and Krishna book. Krishna book is nothing but Krishna only. Bhagavad Gita is nothing but his song only. So Bhagavad Gita and Krishna are not different. Krishna book, Chaitanya Puran, these are all what Bhagavatam. These are nothing but they are directly we can just by reading the Bhagavad, those books we can liberate ourselves. We can go to Vaikunta. Okay. Now, those who are reading Bhagavad Gita, Prabhuji, they are Shuddha Satoguna. When Satoguna people are just reading like this only simple books. Those who will get the knowledge. But Rajoguna, what books, Prabhuji, what they will read? They will read how to become rich. कैसा मुझे पैसा धनवान कैसा बनना डब्बू ఎలా సంపాదించాలి this is what they will think finally the tamoguna people what these people will do, they will waste the time in reading comics. This comic today a new comic that yes I will read like that. They will just they are so much interested, but they will say that Prabhuji, I don't have time, Prabhuji, for chanting, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Now, and after waking up from the bed, what Satoguna people will do? Tomorrow is the exam. Satoguna people will start reading, start learning. Because tomorrow is the exam, bhaiya, I have to prepare. This is what the thinking of Satoguna. Rajoguna people, yes, I should be fit. Everybody should say, I am very big bodybuilder. Yes, everybody, I should impress everybody like that. They will go to gym, they will go for morning walk, do this, that. They will not have time also for chanting. They never think about chanting also. Now, Tamoguna people are worse people, always on the bed. Even if they want to see the what, just they will get up and they will waste the time somehow. Okay, I will see, I should see the cell. Maybe in night, hundreds of messages. I got hundreds of messages. I will see one message. Ultimately, he will waste the time 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours in cell phone only. This is the category of Tamoguna. But what the Shuddha Satoguna people will do? Shuddha Satoguna people, yeah, they will rise early. Immediately they will take the bath and they will start chanting. The first, after chanting 10 minutes, they will do all the other activities. Okay. And what is the sleeping time, Prabhuji? When these people will sleep? See, Satoguna people will sleep at 9 o'clock. Rajoguna people, or I will see TV. Even at the time of sleeping also, Mom, I want to see cell. Like that, they will see the cell. Without seeing the cell, they will not get a sleep also. Like that, they will think. They will wake up at 11, up to 11 o'clock or 10:30, 10 o'clock. And they will get up at 8 o'clock. If they will sleep at 9 o'clock, they will get up at 5 o'clock. Ultimately, they will get the time for chanting. But no, Prabhuji, we are very busy, Prabhuji. Okay. Now, please, my dear co-host, don't do anything. Don't stop recording or don't do anything. Just okay. And finally, the Tamoguna people, when they will sleep, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, they will roam on the roads and they will say that I just know I want to go to my friend's house. There they will talk together for hours. They will roam on the roads. I don't know what they will do. They may go for movies. They will do all sort of bad activities. And finally, they will come to house at 12 o'clock and they will sleep at 1 o'clock. Okay. Now the food also they are categorized. Suppose if you are eating good food, okay. Good means Sattvic food. Sattvic food means vegetarian food. Sattvic food means which is not without onion, garlic, without non-veg, without egg, It is all categorized in sattvic food. Now, if you are eating sattvic, generally the satoguna people will eat sattvic diet, and the rajoguna people will eat. He will just he want his tongue should be satisfied. The taste of the tongue, abba, that paneer is very good. There are some curry is very good. Sweet is also very good. I will eat. Go for eating sweet, sweet, sweet. These Rajasic people will always think about tongue. They will never think about body. अरे कुछ भी हो ना छोड़ो today we will eat that's what their mentality will be. So they will not think they are Rajasic. Ice creams these are all the qualities of Rajasic people. They will not think about the money also. On if they are going for eating that all waste item, they will eat. Now tamas people will always eat what? Non-veg. Yes, tamas people, we don't have any idea. They are fools. They are in mode of madness. They will eat all non-veg. Now, Prabhuji, what about Shuddha Satoguna people? What they will eat? They will eat vegetarian like Sattvic people, but the question is but they will offer the prasadam. Yes, they will offer whatever they will prepare in the house. They will offer to our Krishna. And now when we offer to Krishna, they will think, okay, Krishna has accepted my prasadam. Now this food, whatever I am eating, they will not call it as lunch, dinner, breakfast. They will not call. They will call it as prasadam. If you ask any ISKCON devotee, did you ate what? He will not say, I just now ate lunch, or I just now ate this breakfast. No, he will say, yes, just now I had prasadam. Even though he will eat in his house only, he will call it as prasadam. Why? Because he will offer to Krishna. You offer this much of quantity of rice to Krishna, and again the same quantity, and add to your whatever maybe you have your mother has prepared. Now entire that vessel has become prasadam. Okay, Hare Krishna to all of you. I am taking much time today, but I don't know. Yes, sorry, Hari bol. Still I am having so much time. Now everybody unmute yourself. This is excellent shloka. Co-host, unmute all. Yes. Sarvayonishu Kaunteya. Everybody once again. Sarvayonishu Kaunteya. Murtaya Sambhavanti Yaha.
Murtaya Sambhavanti Yaha.
Murtaya Sambhavanti Yaha.
Murtaya Sambhavanti Yaha.
Tasham Brahma Mahadhyonir.
Tasham Brahma Mahadhyonir.
Tasham Brahma Mahadhyonir.
Tasham Brahma Mahadhyonir.
Aham bija pradapita.
Aham bija
Aham bija pradapita.
Aham bija pradapita.
Excellent. Please check the background when you are having any disturbance. Don't unmute. What happened? No, Aniket, you did not join today the shloka class. Why? Okay. Who joined the shloka class? I remembered. Okay, read Sahana.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya Murtayah Sambhavanti Ya Tasham Brahma Mahadhyonir Aham Bija Pradapitaha.
Excellent. Hari bol. Harshita. Read the shloka. You are also present at the shloka time. Yes, read. Harshita or else Amruta.
Prabhuji, can I read?
Yes, read.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेया मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति यः तशं ब्रह्म महद्योनिर् अहं बीजा प्रदापिता.
Excellent. Those who got the chance, they lower their hand. Now, Aniket, yes, Amruta, okay, okay, Vikas, read.
Okay, Prabhuji. Sarva yoni kaunteya nuda sambhavanti yaha tasma brahma mahayonir aham bija pradapita.
Yes, I will call your name co-host. Don't
Prabhuji.
don't unmute yourself.
Okay, Prabhuji.
There, otherwise I will. Please, when I am calling your names, why you are asking Prabhuji, Prabhuji, Aniket, Chennai? Yes.
Celebrate our state. People who wake up at 5 o'clock will start studying. But merchants who are of the same will have thousands of thousands.
See, when I am asking you to read the shloka, you should read the shloka. If you want to talk anything, you can talk after the class. Okay? Hare Krishna. I unmuted only for purpose of reading. Now, Tanmaya, you want to read? Okay, Varnika want to read. Okay, Varnika, read the shloka.
सर्वयोषु कौन्तेया मूर्तया सम्भवन्ति या तसं ब्रह्म महद्योनिर् अहं ब्रह्म प्रदापिता.
Excellent. Ajaham bija prajah pradah pita. Yes, first, today you are there in the class now? Yes, you can.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेया मूर्तया सम्भवन्ति या तासां ब्रह्म महद्योनिर् अहं बीजा प्रदापितः.
Excellent. Tanmaya, you were also there in the class. Now you can read.
Yes, Prabhuji. Sarvayuneshu Konteya Murata Sambhavanti Ya Tasam Brahma Mahadiyonir Aham Bija Pradapita.
Excellent. Amruta, you want to read?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yes. Read.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तया सम्भवन्ति यः तासां ब्रह्म महद्योनिर् अहं बीजप्रदापिता.
Haribol, excellent. Now we will go for a translation. Now Kavin will read the translation. Okay, you want to, without seeing, you can read.
It should
Mokshit.
be understood that all species of life, O son of Kunti, are made possible by birth in this material nature, and that I am the seed-giving father.
Haribol. Now you see what excellent knowledge Krishna has shared. You just see. It should be understood that what he is giving the knowledge, all species of life. He is not speaking about only human beings. All species. How many species are there, Prabhuji? Can someone type in the chat? 8 lakhs. How many species are there? Hope everybody did not join. How many? 8 lakhs, 84 lakhs. Mokshit has excellently correctly he mentioned. Everybody, what happened? 84, what you are writing, Sahana? Only 84 species. Amruta correctly wrote. Everybody is correctly. Yeah, means you are hearing. See, there are 84 lakhs species are there on the earth. Krishna is saying that what he is saying that all the species of the life are made possible by birth in this material nature on this earth, and that I am the seed giving father who is the father of all the living creatures. It is Krishna. Without Krishna, nothing is going to happen. This is what Krishna is revealing the knowledge. If you just ask your parents, father, who is your father? He will say, see, our grandfather. What a grandfather, if you go for grandfather, who is his father? Like that, if you go on, finally you will go to Brahma. Then if we ask Brahma, who has created you? Brahma will say Vishnu, one of the form of Krishna. Means Krishna himself is saying that I have created all the species of the life. This is what very excellent knowledge Krishna has shared. This only this sloka is sufficient to understand that our Krishna is a supreme personality of God. He has given life. This is what very important. Even then also we are thinking that no, Prabhuji, we are having little doubt, Prabhuji. We should not never doubt Krishna. Because this Krishna only the God, he has told that I am the creator, I am giving the life, I have created spiritual world, I have created material world. Like only Krishna has given the knowledge. Okay. Now we are coming to the end. As we all know that daily we will go for pastimes of Krishna. Today we will read. Okay, now Sai Shrestha, can you unmute and read?
Once when Krishna and Balaram were playing with the cowherds, boys and demon named
Pralambasura.
Pralambasura entered their midst.
Okay, no. Miss, remember in the middle.
As a cowherd boy.
Hari bol, excellent. See what happened one fine day. Everybody was playing, means Krishna and Balram along with the cowherd boys and the friends, means friends of the Krishna. Everybody was playing. Suddenly that Pralamba, it was mentioned like Pralamba demon. He came on the instruction of our Kamsa, because Kamsa was having always thinking about Krishna. Maybe Krishna will die, Krishna will kill me, somehow I will die. So what I should do? I should kill Krishna. This is what his cruel intention. That's why he is sending one demon or other demon. Now today he has sent, we will learn the pastimes of Pralambas. Okay. Finally, what happened? Understanding the potency of Krishna, he decided to abduct Balrama. Okay, there are two of them are there. One is who? One is Krishna and another is Balram. If suppose if I will go for Krishna, Balram will definitely, I cannot fight with two of them simultaneously. What he thought, somehow I should take Balram and I should kill Balram first, then again second I should kill who? I should kill Krishna. This is what he sketched one plan. Finally, what happened? Actually, there was one game. Both the parties were both the friends. One team was Balram team, another team was Krishna team, and both were playing. And there was one bet that whoever is losing. Whoever is losing the party, he has to carry the winning team member on the shoulders, and he has to go. He has to rotate on. He has to just go here and there, and again he can come to that place once again. Like that. This is what one of the pastimes. One day, finally, what happened? This Pralambasur. He entered as a same boy, a cowherd boy. He just changed his name because these are demons. Even Putra also became a beautiful woman. She changed his form like that. Even today also that we were discussing about this Asura. He has also changed his form. He became one cowherd boy, and he was playing with them. Finally, what happened? You know. That cowherd boy means the Pralambasur. Pralambasur, what happened? He loses. And as per the bet, whoever is losing, the winning party, the member should just take them and they should carry on the shoulder and they should take them. And taking the advantage that Balrama is somehow he took the Balrama on the shoulders and carried the Balrama into the deep forest. He went into the deep forest in order to kill Balrama. But as we all know, he cannot be killed. He cannot be killed. Finally, what happened? Balrama, this started hitting. Balrama actually he increased the weight, his own weight. He started increasing the weight, unable to bear the weight. This Pralambasur also changed his form and he came to like this his original form, that is Pralambasur's form. Finally, what happened? With one blow, with one hard fist blow, what happened? This Pralambasur died. He fell down on the earth, on the ground, and this is how you just see here. Okay, Manasvi, Amin, unmute yourself and read.
Unable to bear the weight, the demon assumed his original form, which was like a huge dark effulgent cloud decorated with golden ornaments.
Haribol, excellent. Those who got the chance, our co-host will lower their hand. Okay. What happened? Unable to bear the weight after a beating with with the bare hands only, with fist like that simply. Our Balram started beating, and how this Pralambasur was. He was very dark. He was dark like a effulgent cloud, and he was having what? Golden ornaments on him. Finally, he was killed by what? Who has did not got the chance? Kulkarni, yes. Shri
Balram
Kulkarni.
then brought his foot down the head of the demon, splitting in it into two and causing him to give up his life.
You just see, what happened? The demon was killed by our Balram. Finally, unable to bear the pain of the fist, he was killed. These are the pastimes of Krishna. Now, I will just unmute some of you. I want answers from you. Sparsh, okay, wait. Why we are calling the same names? Today I will call some new names. Okay. Okay. Who are new today? Anirudh, unmute yourself. How did Krishna, Balrama, and cowherd boys spend their time in the forest?
Playing.
Yes, Haribol, by playing. Now, Varnika, unmute yourself. Who were the winners in that particular game? There were two parties now. One party is who are the two parties?
Balrama team.
Yes, Balrama team and one side Krishna team, in which that Pralambasur was also there. Krishna team was lost. Haribol. Now, what is the third? Who will give this answer? Mohit Narayan. Haribol. Mohit Narayan. Read the third question and answer the third question.
What did the losing team have to do?
Yes, what is the answer? What they used to do, please, Jaldi. Okay, no issues. If you don't know, Aniket Chennai. What is the answer? What is the losing team have to do?
The losing team had to carry the winning team so far away and come back again.
Haribol, thanks. Thanks for giving the answer. And final answer. Kavin, unmute yourself. Fourth question, answer also you should give.
How did Balarama kill the demon?
How did he kill? By taking one big sword or by taking one big stick, or by taking one what gun, AK-47, like that. How he killed?
With his fist.
Horrible, just by hitting with the fist. This is what the answer. This much you are thinking, huh? Now, this is, I am having how much time? Still, I am having only 5 minutes. But anyhow, I will complete. This is a very excellent story, huh? Everybody, please concentrate. After the story, I will ask only one or two questions. Very excellent theory. What is this for Dr. Frog? Hare, Prabhuji, you are calling the frog as a Dr. Frog. See, our these are the stories from our Acharya, sorry, our Acharya, who is the founder of ISKCON. He regularly used to quote this stories, even in the Science and Civilization, which is an excellent book. It was quoted. Dr. Frog's thesis. What is this Dr. Frog thesis? Now, I will ask. Please, be ready. I want to complete. Generally, I am taking much time. Please, who did not got the chance? Vaishnavi Gudeti, unmute yourself and read. Ayyo. Hare Krishna, are you there? This is what the problem. If you don't switch on your videos, I don't know whether you are there or you are sleeping like Tamoguna people. sorry. You are not in Tamoguna. You know, you are all Shuddha Satoguna. Yes, can you read? Tanishka RP.
Yes, Guruji. Not
Far from the ocean.
not for the from the
Ocean. You got muted, huh? Okay, no
Yes.
issues.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, you want to read?
Prabhuji, I'll read Prabhuji.
Read na. Why you are waiting for
There
lived? There lived a
Lived.
frog.
a frog in a will. The frog was in first.
The frog was in fact born and brought up within the said well.
Broad and
Brought up
brought up
within the said well.
with the said well and
Never went outside.
never went outside it.
Nevertheless,
It never went.
nevertheless, it was still puffed.
But it was still a
Puffed up creature.
rough up creature.
Hari bol for Seva, reading Seva. Big Hari bol to you. Everybody, those who are participating, big Hari bol. See, this is what I want. You should participate. Only I request you should open your mouth. I want that. See, we are discussing the story of Dr. Frog thesis. This is Mr. Dr. Frog. He was, even though the ocean was very near to him, but he used to stay in the well. He was just growing in the well only. He never went outside the well. He thought that this well is very big. This well is world. Like that he used to think. He never thought that there will be one ocean or there is some other thing which is very much bigger than this well. He thought that a well is very big. Okay. Now, one fine day, what happened? What he is thinking, you just see. I am the proprietor of the well. I am the owner of this well. Nobody is like me. I am enjoying like that. Everything he is thinking. One day, what happened? You just see. One day, another big frog from the seaside came across the well. And by chance, it fell inside. One frog which is staying in the ocean, somehow it came into the well by chance, by mistake, it fell into the well. Now suddenly this Dr. Frog got surprised. Surprised, how come it is possible? From which world you came? I thought I am the frog. I am the only the owner. Nah, there is no other frog. There is no other world. My well is the only world. Like that, he used to think. He was asking the question to the other frog, saying that there seems to be new frog. Let me try. I will ask you question like that. No, this is also frog. Okay, you are also frog. Now, from where do you came from? Oh, now this frog is saying the to Dr. Frog saying that I came from a river, ocean, that I came from the river side. Now, he is asking, our Dr. Frog is asking, how small is the sea compared to my well? Where he is thinking that his well is big. There is nothing is bigger than well. He was asking one question to the new frog. How much big this is? But as we all know, river will be very big. But what happened here? The question, the answer, what very excellent answer. What he is saying, ha ha ha. The sea is beyond your comparison. You cannot think this well is so small in front of my big river. My river is very, 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 very big. Like that, the answer was given by the new frog to our Dr. Frog. Now, is it this large? This is the question. No. Your will is so small. Like that, he is saying. See, you just see how long a jump you can attempt in a sea bigger than your well. See, he is thinking that only my well is very big. But what the answer is giving, that this much big, impossible, nothing larger than the Dr. Frog is saying, no. There is nothing larger than this. My well is existing outside. This is only the place which is existing. There is no river. You are talking false. Like that, he told. But finally, what happened? You just see. Please make an effort to look above this well and see how large the ocean actually is. What the new frog is saying. Please, you are sitting here, you are sleeping here, you are eating here, you are growing here only. You don't know outside well. There is very much bigger ocean, river, big earth is there. You fool, you are staying in this. Like that, the new frog is suggesting, please go outside and you just see. You will find like that. Now, finally, what happened? And the Dr. Frog is thinking, you appear to be extremely fanatical. I am sure that ocean may be very well, ocean may very well be as large as this well only. But I am not sure, not so narrow mind. I don't have such a thinking that I will never think that there is another place which is bigger than this well. Your ocean must be big as my well only he is thinking. Because water in there, in both the places, even in your ocean also there is water, even my well also there is water, but your ocean is not big. This is what the thinking of Dr. Frog. This is my strong conviction. You must simply boasting about your ocean like a fanatic of your own satisfaction. This is what the thinking. See, what is the purport finally? Hare Krishna, because time there was no time, that's why I read. Please excuse me, don't think otherwise that I read. Prabhuji this time did not give the chance of reading Seva because due to lack of time I read. What is the moral? Moral is we are okay. First we will read the moral. In the material world as well, there are so many pedantic, compromising pandit who insist their own viewpoints in the best one, but ultimately fail to support their own hypothesis. they finally try to equate devotional service with other types of services. They behave just like highly learned Dr. Frog, but in fact, their perception about devotional service is far from satisfaction. Means what is the moral of the story, Prabhuji? What we got? You told the frog story, but what we are? What are the takeaway from the frog story? Actually, we are living on the earth. We will think that earth is very big. My India is very big. If some of you are staying in Canada, some of you are staying in US, you will think that no. Okay, our Canada is big, our London is big, our some other country is big, but or else Earth is big. Like that, we are constrained our thinking. For we are just limitedly we are thinking, we are applying thinking that only Earth, only this is only the world. Nothing is there. This is only the world where we should live, and ultimately where we should go. We will die. Like that we will think, but we will never think that there is some other world which is also been created by our Krishna. That is spiritual world. Spiritual world name as Vaikunta or Krishna Loka or Goloka. That is our end goal. Actually, from where there we came. There we came, but we forgot. We actually lost the relationship from the God. Over a time, we forgot the relationship. What relationship? We are the children of our Krishna. Today, he himself told, I am the Bija Padarth, means I am the seed giving for all, really seed giving father for all the living beings. That relationship we missed. We are thinking that we are permanent residents of earth. Like that, Dr. Frog is also thinking, I am permanent resident of well. This is what the thinking we are thinking, but we are not permanent residents of earth. Finally, there is another spiritual world is also there. There we have to go. Okay, we should think. But what these Mayavadi people, some other people, Pandits will give, some other explanation will give, saying that this is what actually this is the theory. Brahman theory, they will say, some other theory they will give, and they will confuse us. Okay, but actual fact is our end goal, our Krishna is waiting for us. Okay, he is just thinking. Okay, you want, you told that you want to play. Okay, play. How much time you will take? I am waiting, like that. Okay, Hare Krishna. I will give the key because some of you are eagerly waiting for the key. I will give. Don't think. Even our co-host also will circulate the key for once again. 103, 142 is the key. And once again, those who have not registered for Shraddhavan, please register. Because in order to be in spiritual path, just think that I will chant Prabhuji. I am already chanting Prabhuji. Then you just go for filling the Shraddhavan form. Yes, I sent the message to you. The link of Shraddhavan is also sent in the group. You just take, or else I will send it tomorrow. Also, I will send. Already it is there. Please fill up the Shraddhavan form so that we will also be knowing that these many people, these many students are in doing chanting. They are in a devotional path. This is what. Okay. It is the next level. Okay. The certificate will also be, and Shraddhavan ceremony will be conducted. That details I will give later.